In this video, you'll learn to make this star handle in the FreeCAD, and we'll learn to use revolve, pocket, polar pattern, hold, chamfer, and fillet. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint in the center of this line. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create this profile. The fillet and the chamfer we will make later, okay? And this line here has 40 millimeters of length. And this line here has 40 millimeters because it is the radius of this diameter. This line here has 20 millimeters. And this line here has 20 millimeters because it is the radius of this diameter, okay? So let's create this profile. We will make a half because we use the Revolve features to make this body. So open the FreeCAD and go to create a sketch, select the front plane and select polyline here. Click here in the midpoint, make this profile. Make sure that all the lines is vertical or horizontal line, okay? And go to dimension. This line here, 40 millimeters. This one, 20 millimeters. And go to constraint, select equal. Select this line and this one, because the both lines has 40 millimeters. And this line here, and this one has 20 millimeters, okay? So leave the sketch and now go to Revolve feature. We need to revolve this 360 degrees and press OK. We made this body. And now we will create this cut here in this body, okay? So to create this, we'll make a circle. And this circle has 15 millimeters of radius. And the distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint is 94/2 because it's the radius of this diameter, okay? So let's create this. So I will rotate this a little bit, select this face and go to create a sketch. And now select a circle, make a circle here with 30 millimeters of diameter. It is 30 because it is diameter. In the sketch, we have the radius, okay? And go to dimension and select the center of the circle. The distance here is 94/2, 47 millimeters, and press OK. We made this one, and now leave the sketch. And we needed to cut this, so go to pocket. And the type here, select it through all and press OK. We made this cut. And now we needed to create more 5 cuts in this body. So to create this, we use the polar pattern. So go to polar pattern. And here in polar pattern, select the transform tool shapes and select add features. The features that we want to add here is this cut here, the pocket. And the occurrences here is 6. And press OK. We made this one. Okay. And now we will create this cut here in the center. So this cut has 10 millimeters of diameter and the dip of this hole here is 25 millimeters. So let's create this. Select this face and go to create a sketch. Select a circle, make a circle here in the midpoint. This circle is only for reference. You can add the dimension here, but the most important is the position of the circle, okay? So leave the sketch and go to hole. And here in the hole, you can change the diameter. Look at this. Here is 6 millimeters. The diameter is 10. And the dip is 25 millimeters. We don't have the drill angle here. So let's let this angle here and press OK. We made this cut. Okay. And now we need to create this cut here. So to create this cut, we will select the front plane and make a circle with 8 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint is 30 millimeters. So go to sketch and select the front plane, activate the toggle section view and select the circle, make a circle here with 8 millimeters of diameter, and go to dimension, select the center of the circle. The distance here is 30 millimeters. And leave the sketch and go to pocket. I will change the direction here, select reverse it, and the type here, select it through all and press OK. We made this cut here. Okay. And now to finish this exercise, we will make this chamfer and the fillet. So the chamfer here has 4 millimeters. It is equal distance. So select the chamfer and click here and select this edge here. And the size here is 4 millimeters. And press OK. We made this one. And now we will make the fillet. All the fillet here is 5 millimeters. So go to fillet. The radius here 5. And click here and select this edge here. And select the other side. I forget to select this edge here, sorry. And now rotate this a little bit and select this side here. And press OK. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.